Saturday. That means it's time to imagine it. I have Carl Nelson here, the chief scientist at the Imagination Station, and you have something that you might see in your pantry.
Cornstarch.
Okay.
We're gonna have fun with cornstarch. Add this to the bowl.
All of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah, because, you know, it gets messy. We're gonna make something called Oobleck.
Ooh,
Oobleck.
yes.
Okay, so here.
You know what?
You're gonna take the ring off there?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's fine. I'm just gonna throw them
It's not toxic or anything, but it does. You'll see what happens.
It's
Here.
kind of like Play-Doh. Okay.
Go ahead and add some water here.
Okay. Just a little, or what are we
Just
doing?
add a little bit, and then we're just gonna
Yeah, I know.
dive.
Okay.
Yeah, dive in there.
This is like meatloaf. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Okay.
Get in there.
Oh, yeah.
Mix it up. Now, what we're doing is cornstarch granules are sort of like sharp-edged little things. And when you add water, you kind of lubricate them and they can like slide past one another.
Sure, but it's a weird feeling because
It is
right now this is incredibly difficult for me to do.
It's called a non-newtonian substance.
Right, because then it gets all...
Because its viscosity changes. Its viscosity changes based upon how you treat it. If you move your finger through it slowly, it'll flow just like this water.
Yep.
If you slap that, go ahead and punch it. It doesn't splatter.
No,
Here,
and I think we need a little more water here.
The beauty of this is that, you know, the recipe is kind of like 2 to 1, but it's really just when it kind of feels right. I think we probably have enough water. I'm going to add just a little bit more cornstarch.
Okay.
And this is what you're going to do at home. You're just going to go outside, you're going to play, you're going to add cornstarch, add water. It's going to make a mess. Just accept it.
Be a little careful there with that cornstarch.
You're right. I'm not doing what I'm preaching. That's right. Okay.
But yeah, it's really hard right now, and it almost feels like I'm trying to grab cement.
Exactly. So let's pour it out.
Okay.
Watch this. We'll just do a final. Oh, that's beautiful right there. Look. Just pour it onto this tray, and it's almost like it's cake batter.
Yeah.
Ish. And the thing I love about this though is that
it's a good pancake we have here.
This is a nice pancake.
Good.
If you were to slap that and it was water, we'd make a horrible mess. But
no way. That's so cool.
It's when you apply a force, it hardens up. Okay?
I had to do it a few times.
You apply force, it hardens up.
Anger management.
Yes. Oh.
All right. Well, the beauty of TV, right?
All right.
We're all good.
That's okay.
Okay.
We're making a mess. So, if you were to like pick some up and roll it in your hand and apply force, you can roll it like a ball. And it'll stay hard, but then as soon as I remove that force, it'll flow like a liquid through your fingers.
Oh, that is so cool. And that's crazy that it's just water and cornstarch. Now, I noticed this water was a little bit warm. Does it matter? Warm water, cold water, lukewarm?
Nah, it was sitting in the back of my car for a while,
okay.
so no, it doesn't really matter. Now, hopefully, I did not destroy our equipment here.
Yeah, sorry.
So I'm gonna add a little cornstarch to the top of this speaker. Okay?
Okay.
And it's gonna flow in there just like a liquid. And I'm gonna apply a tone to it now. Let's see. We gotta get just the right frequency. Let's see if I can adjust this.
The pancake bubbles are forming. So that means Oh, there we go. You had some ripples there for a second.
Did we get some ripples?
Yep.
Let's see if we can.
There were a few.
I think throwing the signal generator on the ground was probably not the best thing to do, but I think it's coming back to life.
There we go.
See if we can change the frequency a little bit.
Oh, wow. So you're seeing it move around, and that's what we're supposed to be seeing?
Yeah. As we apply that force to it, now it starts to dance around. And here, before we run out of time, add some food coloring, just a couple drops.
Okay. To our little
That's
friends.
okay. To our little friend.
This is amazing.
And the beauty of this is it will slowly, let me get it going there. If we take the frequency away, turn down, it goes back to a liquid.
That is insane.
If we add a little bit more energy there, turn the volume up and give it a start with my finger. There we go.
No way. That is so cool.
And adding the food coloring is just kind of for fun.
Oh, yeah. I mean,
just
it looks
makes
like we have little dancing snakes.
It does.
I love that, our little dancing beans.
And then take it away, and it all goes back to a liquid.
That is so cool.
So definitely give it a try.
Yeah.
Don't pour it down the drain. That's a whole different experiment called the plumber.
Yeah.
Because it will harden inside the drain and it will not come out. In fact, this idea of a non-Newtonian substance is used as top kill when they have oil wells that are out of control.
That makes sense.
They pump stuff down in there so that when the oil is pumping out trying to escape, this stuff will harden up because you're applying a force to it, right? But it's easy enough to pour in because it'll flow slowly like a liquid.
That is so wild. That is so cool that you can do that. All right, water, some cornstarch, a few bucks, hours of entertainment.
Do it
for the
outside.
kids.
Do it outside.
All right, Carl, thanks so much. And that is how you imagine it. And the Imagination Station is open today, hours 10 to 5 on Saturdays.